to celebrate the 1-month anniversary of the Pokemon Expansion Pass. The Crown Tundra. It's been a while since I've done my last video. I mean, oh, hold on. What do you mean? It hasn't been an actual while. It's only been 3 days. All right. Enough talk. It's time for us to draw the legendary Pokemon Calyrex Shadow Rider. It's time to draw Shadow Rider Calyrex. Been waiting a long time for this. Been waiting a long time to draw this Pokemon, and now the time has come. The Shadow Rider, the legend says that by using its power to see all events from the past to future, this Pokemon saved the creatures of the forest from a meteorite strike. That was really nice of him. Alright. When drawing this Pokemon, first you need to start by drawing Spectrier and draw the shadow rains on his neck, on his face. Then draw it right here. There we go.
Come outside. It's a world of fun here. There's no need to hide. Go ahead, be colorful. Every voice, never too small to bring it. Feel the joy. Put up your hair and sing it all together. You and me, hair in the air, we're family. We got everything.
There we go.
Hair in the air, so proud to be celebrating who we are. Yeah, we made it through the dark. Harmony is everywhere. Put your hair up in the air. Put your hair up in the air. Up high.
Here's the hair.
Free. Come on, show your personality.
There we go.
On your feet, now dance with me. Let's get together. Hair up forever. Start it up. The party's just beginning. All together, you and me. Hair in the air, we're family.
And just like in the last video when I drew Spectrier, or Spectrier, whatever you want to name it, his hooves are not connected to his feet. They defy gravity. His hooves defy gravity, and they are not connected to his feet. They're like not part of his bones. There we go.
Live it up. Every day you wake up singing. Turn it up. The party's just beginning. All together, you and me. Hair in the air, we're family.
There we go.
We got everything we need. Hair in the air, so proud to be celebrating who we are. Yeah, we made it through the dark. Harmony is everywhere. Put your hair up in the air. Put your hair up in the air.
Now we just draw Calyrex.
Come outside. It's a world of fun here. There's no need to hide. Go ahead, be colorful. Every voice.
There we go.
Never too small to bring it. Feel the joy. Put up your hair and sing it all together.
Here's his eye.
Hair in the air, we're family. We got everything we need. Hair in the air, so proud to be celebrating who we are. Yeah, we made it through the dark. Harmony is everywhere. Put your hair up in the air. Put your hair up in the air. Up high, we're feeling free. Come on, show your personality. On your feet, now dance with me. Let's get together. Hair up forever. Start it up. The party's just beginning.
Now we just draw Calyrex's. We just draw the crown on top of his head. Okay, now we just draw the emeralds around his neck.
Live it up. Every day you wake up singing, turn it up. The party's just beginning. All together, you and me, and we're family. We got everything we need.
Okay, I'll be up in a minute.
Celebrating who we are. Yeah, we made it through the dark. Harmony is everywhere. Put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Come outside. It's a world of fun here. There's no need to hide. Go ahead, be colorful. Every voice. Never too small to bring it. Feel the joy. Put up your hair and sing it all together. You and me, hair in the air, we're family. We got everything we need. Hair in the air, so proud to be celebrating.
There we go.
who we are.
Alexa, play Rainbow from My Little Pony the movie.
Here's Rainbow by Sia on Amazon Music.
Now wait. Here's another part about Calyrex.
I know you're a special one. Some see crazy where I see love. You fall so low, but so high. Big dreamer, shoot for open sky. So much life in those open eyes. So much depth you look for tonight. But when your wounds open, you will cry. You'll cry out now and you question why.
Now we just draw the bumps here on his body, on the scarf, on the scarf, like we just draw it on the on the coat, the knight's jacket. We draw the hood on his back, kind of like how Robin Hood used to wear this. Alexa, who is Robin Hood?
Robin Hood is a legendary heroic outlaw originally depicted in English folklore and subsequently featured in literature and film. According to legend, he was a highly skilled archer and swordsman. In some versions of the legend, he is depicted as being of noble birth, and in modern retellings he is sometimes depicted as having fought in the Crusades before returning to England to find his lands taken by the sheriff. In the oldest known versions, he is instead a member of the yeoman class.
Okay. He's basically like the Pokemon version of that.
Here comes the sun, smiling down. Here comes the sun, smiling down, smiling down. I can see a rainbow in your tears as they fall down. I can see your soul grow.
Now here's Spectroider's.
I can see a rainbow.
Here's Spectroider's back legs, back hooves.
As the sun comes out. I can see a rainbow in your tears as they fall down. I can see your soul grow through the pain as they hit the ground. I
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Here are the flames.
I know you're a special one.
Now we just draw Shadow Rider. We just draw the Shadow Rider's tail. Think of it as like the Ghost Rider version of Pokemon. Well, kind of. I mean, it's almost like Robin Hood and the Ghost Rider are like two different versions of the same character. Well, we'll find out soon. Alexa, who is the Ghost Rider?
According to Wikipedia, Ghost Rider is the name of many anti-heroes and superheroes appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. Marvel had previously used the name for a Western character whose name was later changed to Angel Rider, the first supernatural Ghost Rider, stunt motorcyclist Johnny Blaze, who, in order to save the life of his father, agreed to give his soul to Satan.
There we go. When I found out that this Pokemon was alive, I didn't realize that the two of them could actually fuse. Looks like Calyrex is a special Pokemon. I can name two other Pokemon that can merge. There's Kyurem and Necrozma. Now that's awesome. Seeing Pokemon that can fuse. That's awesome.
I can see rainbow in your tears as they fall down. I can see your soul grow through the pain as they hit the ground. I can see a rainbow in your tears as the sun comes out. As the sun comes out. I can see a rainbow in your tears as they fall down. I can see your soul through the pain as they hit the ground. I can see a rainbow in your tears as the sun comes out. As the sun comes out.
And there we go, folks. That's how you draw Shadow Rider Calyrex. Just let me finish filling in the details here. Alexa, play Beyond the Limit from Dragon Ball.
Beyond the Limit from Dragon Ball Super by the Marcus Hedges Trend Orchestra on Amazon Music.
And before we go off, Alexa, what is Ultra Instinct?
Ultra Instinct is a godly form in the Dragon Ball manga series, which increases agility and power and allows to move automatically without brain needing to send signals to the body.
I love that form. I've been training my whole life to achieve that form. I'm starting to realize that technique and that form is actually real. I'll give it a shot, no matter what it takes. Alright guys, here are the Shadow Rains. Alright guys, it's time to take off into the night sky. Nothing evil can stand against this mighty warrior and his noble Pokemon steed. When these two are together, they're unstoppable. There is another Pokemon that's related to Spectrier, but I'll find out its name and its data, and I'll draw him too. One of these days I will, real soon. I'll see you again soon.